A volcano in southwestern Iceland that has roared back to life after 8 centuries of silence has erupted for the 7th time since December, sending molten lava flowing towards the Blue Lagoon Spa, a major tourist attraction. The eruption on the Reykjanes Peninsula started with little warning at 11:14 p.m. Wednesday and created a fissure around 3 kilometers long. The activity is estimated to be considerably smaller than the previous eruption in August, according to Iceland's meteorological office that monitors seismic activity. Tim Winder, a British seismologist at the University of Iceland, was at the scene to retrieve a seismic station that was dangerously near the lava. The sensor has been here for 4 years now, measuring earthquakes that have marked the intrusion of magma that fed these eruptions, but now things have got a little bit too close for comfort, so it's time to save it from the lava, said Winder. While the eruption poses no threat to air travel, authorities warned of gas emissions across parts of the peninsula, including the nearby town of Grindavik, which was largely evacuated a year ago when the volcano came to life after lying dormant for 800 years. Around 50 houses were evacuated after the Civil Protection Agency issued the alert, along with guests at the Blue Lagoon. By Thursday afternoon, lava had spread across parking lot of the geothermal spa, one of Iceland's biggest tourist attractions, consuming a service building. Lava also reached the pipeline that supplies the peninsula with hot water for heating, the meteorological office said, though the pipes were built to withstand lava flow. Iceland, which sits above a volcanic hot spot in the North Atlantic, averages one eruption every 4 to 5 years. The most disruptive in recent times was the 2010 eruption of the geological volcano, which spewed clouds of ash into the atmosphere and disrupted transatlantic air travel for months. While the eruption poses no threat to aviation, authorities are warning of gas across parts of the peninsula, including the nearby town of Grindavik. The repeated volcanic eruptions close to Grindavik, a town of 3,800 people about 50 kilometers southwest of the capital, Reykjavik, have damaged infrastructure and property and forced many residents to relocate to guarantee their safety. Authorities say the town is not threatened further by this latest eruption.
I'm a seismologist at the University of Iceland, and today we are here out in Svartsengi to retrieve a seismic station which is now just 50 or 100 meters from the lava. The sensor has been here for 4 years now, measuring earthquakes that have marked the intrusion of magma that's fed these eruptions. But now things have got a little bit too close for comfort, so it's time to save it from the lava.